Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you that how to get your microphone work in your Windows 10 or in any other devices. So if your microphone is not working, first do this simple process and then you check your microphone is working or not. So first of all, go to settings. In settings you can find the privacy option. I'll try to zoom it. So yes, this is the option that you wanted to click. Just click on that, and here you can find the microphone option right there. So just click on that, and here you can find that it is on mode, right? If it is in off mode, please make sure that you be enabling this option. So as it is mine in on mode, so just I am leaving this. And coming to the second process, this is the most important process where you need to be careful to do this process. So please be concentrating in this method. If still it is not working, then come to the second process. Okay, so just click on right click and you can find the manage option. Left click. So just go for manage option, and if you just click on manage option, you can find a pop-up like this, and here you can find the device manager, right? So just click on device manager. It is clear, right? I have zoomed it. Yeah, just click on device manager. Here you can find many other options, like so many, right? The first option is audio inputs and outputs. I can zoom it. Yeah, just click on that. After clicking on that, you will get other two options called microphone and speakers. As the problem is with microphone, just click on microphone. Just click left click. Okay, give a left click, and here you can find update driver. After clicking on update driver, you will be getting an update like this or the pop-up like this. So you have two options, but first of all you need to select for the second option. So go to the second option right now, browse my computer for the device software, and just now click on the let me pick up from a list, and now you just select audio project something. Yeah, after selecting audio endpoint, so just click on next. It takes some time and it just installs. And if it's still not working, your microphone is still not working, then do the same process but for the first option. Go for microphone, update driver, select first one now, search automatically. Okay, just click on that, and it takes some time because it is automatically searching. So, and it will be fixing up the microphone. So yes, it could be taking some time. If still it is not working after this process also, then it means that your microphone system has been damaged or crashed. So you need to appear for the laptop company or the service centers. Okay, most probably this solution will be happy so that you can use your microphone option very great. But if still it is not working, that means that your microphone has been crashed out. So yes, it is been installed, and if you wanted to check, you just check with the process. And that's it for the session. Hope it is helpful. Bye bye.